In this video, we'll cover drive nut repair for the SureShade Power Bimini. Tools required to perform this procedure include a ball-peen hammer, a punch tool, and a 5/32 hex wrench. If the actuator front handles on your Power Bimini top are unresponsive, despite the motor cycling on and off, it means the actuator drive nut may have become unseated from its spindle. You'll need to reseat the nut to repair your SureShade Power Bimini top. Use the 5/32" Allen wrench found in your manual override kit, stored in the zipper front pocket of your Bimini top, or, in some models, stored behind the actuator motor end cap. Then remove the two 1/4" hex cap screws on either side of the Bimini frame's forward armature. With the help of a second person, lift the forward armature up and away from the actuator arms, then set it on the rest of the arm assembly on the rear of the pontoon. Use a ball-peen hammer and a punch tool to unseat the pin securing the actuator arm to the actuator assembly. Gently remove the actuator arm from the assembly, taking care not to lose or misplace the two washers that are seated on either side of the pinhole. Using the 5/32 hex wrench, lift the brass nut and seat it onto the drive spindle. Then press and hold the retract button. If the brass nut has been seated correctly, the gear rack will begin moving towards the front of the actuator assembly. Install the washers to the divots on either side of the actuator arm. Then install it in its full down position into the gear rack. Reinstall the retaining pin using your ball-peen hammer. Repeat this step on the opposite side. Then, with the help of another person, reinstall the Bimini frame armature.